Hello everybody, this is Sonya. I'm just playing around here with the camera to see if it's in the right place because I'm not in the usual posse. And I have got a entry in my challenge, and it is from Juile De Costa, and she lives in South Australia. And I'm just going to open this here, which I've been doing without scissors because the scissors are somewhere else other than where I am as usual. Well, something I always look like. I'm in a different place today, as you probably would have guessed by the video. Oh my goodness me, look at this. Oh dear, all goodies. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for this. I really do appreciate this, Julie. It's so kind of you. And I've got a card with some nice flowers. Look at the nice flowers. So she's got her information in here. I closed my piece of fabric for your challenge and some extra. Here's some applique and remnants of fabric I used on a quilt for an American friend that I thought you might be able to use. Stay well and stay safe, Julie. Cheers, Julie. Thank you very much, Julie. And this card is beautiful, isn't it? Very nice. Oh, look at that. Oh, there's more rolled up in that. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Isn't that lovely? Oh, I do love that. Isn't this beautiful? Oh, thank you so much. That is so nice. And this one here is awesome. Look at this. I think this might be a little bit vintage, is it? Looks to me to be. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. And when I get in my other room, when I get back in my other room, I'm going to be so excited. And I'm going to hopefully get some work done. Do some crafting with this. Look at this. Do love this too. Look at it. It's lovely. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And I've got a piece of a quilt that she made for her friend. That's nice of you to send me this. Oh wow. Which I haven't got the patience to make a quilt. I've made so many small squares, it's probably enough to put as a quilt together. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow, thank you so much. It's so kind of you to send that to me. I could use that for a cover, couldn't I? For an album, for a book. That'd be nice. I've got this thing about making books. Oh, and I've got Christmas things now. Oh dear, look at this. Oh, look at the colours on there. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the colours. Look at that red in that. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, I do love that. Thank you so much. These are so pretty. There's another one. Oh my goodness me, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? And I've got two of those. Thank you so much, Julie. This is so kind of you to share with me. Thank you, darling. That's very kind of you. And then another one. Oh, wow. Look at this. So pretty. Thank you so much, Julie. This is so nice. I really, really appreciate that. Thank you very much, darling, for sending me such a beautiful parcel. And I'd like to thank everybody for sending me a parcel. And when I finish doing this and putting these away, I'll be back on here to do another video for an update on this, on my challenge, okay? So thank you everybody for watching, and thank you so much, Julie, for taking the time to send these nice things to me. I really do love them. They are so pretty, and all different and beautiful, and a lovely card. Thank you very much, darling, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.